Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today's video is going to be on this simple but full face look with a bold lip to match the top that I'm wearing. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. So starting with brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to be taking that on an angled brush. Next, I'm cleaning up my brows using a softer angled brush and the LAgirl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I make sure to use a concealer shade that's the same as or close enough to my skin tone, and only to use a tiny bit of product so that it's enough to wipe away mistakes but not too much that it causes a halo effect around the brows. The final step for my brows is to turn the brush vertically and then swipe it across the front in order to diffuse the product and make my brows look a little bit softer and more natural. I'm going to go in with foundation next, the NYX Total Control drops in shade Cappuccino and Caramel mixed together. Right, so next I'm going to go in with going with NARS in the shade Caramel. I'm going to leave that to sit for a little while I go in with the NYX Wonder Stick, but just the darker end, and that's what I'm going to use to clean contour. And then I'm going to go in with a brush to blend out the cream contour. And the next little message, translucent setting lip powder. To add more colour into my face, I'm going to go in with my favourite bronzer. I like how this looks on camera. And since I'm doing faux freckles for this look, I like to look a little bit more sun-kissed, so I'll take some more of the bronzer and bring it more onto the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so next I'm contouring my nose with the Sleek Contour Kit. So I'm taking this on like a slanted, mini, slightly fluffy brush, and I'm going to use it to contour my nose. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with the bronzer that I used, but I'm going to go in with this brush, which is like a really large crease brush, I'd say. And to aid in looking all sun-kissed, I'm going to go over the bridge of my nose to make it look as if I've got like slight sunburn, a bit of a tan. I'm also adding some blusher to the apples of my cheeks and nose. And I'm using my brow product to stamp on some faux freckles. If you'd like me to do a more in-depth tutorial on how to create faux freckles, then let me know in the comments. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go back into the bronzer and I'm going to put this in the crease of my eye. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to be taking Le Peach by Artist Couture and Jackie Aina. Okay, so now I'd say my face is done. So I'm going to go in with some Fix Plus and spray my face. So now we're back to the eyes. I'm going to be going in with some eyeliner. I'm finishing off the eyes with some false lashes, whose name I can't actually remember at the moment, but it will be in the description. So now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go in with Eylure Telescopic Mascara and coat both my top and lower lashes. Now that the eyes are done, we're now going to move on to the lips, which will be matching this. So first I'm going to take the Colourpop lip liner in the shade BFF3. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Candy Venom from Fenty Beauty and I'm going to apply that to my lips. But I'm just going to stop here. And then to help us match my top better, and I'm also going to go in with the matte lipstick from Sleek in the shade Exaggerate. And I'm going to take the lipstick and just apply it to like the inner portion of my lips. Does it match? And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like and a comment below, and if you like me, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.